Welcome to our channel. Twin 1 here, I'm Lindsay.
Twin 2 here, I'm Ashley.
Today we're having Memphis barbecue bourbon. Sloppy Joe's American
Bourbon,
classic.
baby. Bourbon.
Yum. Wish you could smell it. We have a side salad with everything in it. And for dessert, cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon bun, baby.
Just love American food.
And of course, the tequila twins have to have
Tequila, of course.
But today, we're going to do banana rum cream.
Say
instead.
what?
Look at that.
I'm so corny. All right, before we start, just want to say we haven't been here in a while because Twin 2 is
getting married.
So with all the wedding planning and everything, we've been so busy, but we're back and ready to chow down with the twins. And then for her wedding, we're going to be doing all the food there too. It's Indian American wedding, so it's going to be lots of food. But let's start eating because I'm hungry.
Me too, and it's been a while.
Since we had Sloppy Joe's.
I know.
Sloppy Joe's. I made them extra sloppy. Oh, you know that's from a classic. All right, so they're so sloppy. I don't know how to fold them. Get that bread on there. Let it drip. Oh!
It's that good. I just licked my hand. It's that
That's
good.
sweet. Come here.
Ooh, that's delicious. Twin 1.
I don't know
Twin
how
1
to
made
make
it.
Oh.
So delicious.
Wow.
That bourbon.
Bourbon sauce is amazing.
That good.
That good.
Too much dressing? Oh no.
It's got bacon bits, corn, lettuce, tomato, onion, everything in here. Zucchini.
I'm making a mess, but it's Sloppy Joe's, so you gotta be sloppy.
Oh my croutons.
Ooh wee. That is delicious.
This is amazing. I love bacon bits.
So good, I'm swallowing it all.
I'm almost done. Even the salad sloppy.
Sorry. I love croutons.
Like the bacon bits, huh? Smothered it in dressing too.
I like that French style. The bacon. Bacon! You like it more than me, the dressing.
Here's Sloppy Joe. Here's Sloppy Joe. Oh, so good. Sloppy Joe's just sloppy. And delicious.
I miss doing these videos.
Me too. Someone had to move to New York City. Away from me.
But
and
now,
Sloppy Joe's.
but now I'm back in our hometown for our wedding. We're going to be back with more videos, lots of videos after everything's over with. October 1st is the wedding, so after then you'll be seeing a lot more of chowing down with the twins.
You know, we make everything. All kinds of dishes from all over the world.
Some great ideas in mind. Stay tuned.
So good. Especially with the bacon.
I love when you put corn in your salad. I love that.
Sweetens it up a little. Here we go. Chowing down with the twins. Thanks for joining, guys. We missed you.
Cheers.
Top me off with a little crouton, please.
I hope everyone's well and doing well with COVID and everything. We're wishing everyone stays healthy and happy. I'm hungry.
Finger licking good. Pepsi. I mean, Coke.
I love my twin.
I love you more, bestie.
I'm gonna have my Coke now.
I'm ready for tequila.
I'm sorry about the licking of the fingers, but it's Sloppy Joe, so it's sloppy.
Sloppy Joe night. Finger looking good. Wait. Cheers.
Cheers.
I want some of that.
What? Your cinnamon bun?
No. That.
It's not time.
It is time. It is time.
Can you grab your fork?
I'm stuffed.
You can't be. Well, I ate more than you.
To be honest with you, when I was cooking, I was tasting a little bit of
She
food.
always does that.
Gotta make sure it's
She
delicious.
always does that.
And it was. And I'm full now. Also saving room for dessert and a little bit of alcohol. Sissy gotta chow down. She better hurry up and chow down. Oh, I ate more than you. Look at. I ate almost 2.
I was trying to hurry up and chow down.
I'm the older twin. I ate more.
I was just getting ready to ask
2 minutes.
you guys,
Older by 2 minutes only.
who do you think is older? But we always say twin 1 and twin 2, so it's obvious. By 2 minutes. Okay.
Yes.
Well, someone is like a child who doesn't want to eat any more of her veggies
No.
and wants to get right down to dessert. So let's just do it.
Chow down with the twins. We chowing down on everything.
Dessert time.
Geez, look at that big one. It's
Look,
huge.
it is huge. Cheers!
Try to get me, I got her.
Instant karma.
Just like it.
They're still nice and warm.
That is so good. It's sweet and soft.
It's that good.
I can't. I can't. I love you.
Get your hand out of here. She's in a rush. I'm
not in a rush. I've been eyeballing that.
She's not in a rush. She's a lush.
Oh, bars. Well, since I can't have my other dessert, I'll finish this.
Well, I finished mine. She told me to
So
hurry up and eat, and look who's taking her time. Okay. Since she can't wait anymore. Let's have our real dessert. Banana rum cream.
That's a big gulp.
Oh, can you open that, buddy? My hands still have sugar or the icing on it.
Oh shoot, me too.
You struggling?
around. The struggle's real.
Someone doesn't want us to have our yummy banana rum cream?
Got it.
That's the bestie for you. This is why she's the twin 1, because she makes everything happen. I lean on her for everything.
You hear that deliciousness? Oh no? Oh no?
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Move salad.
Hey.
Move salad. Okay.
Wow, I am so full.
Cheers and welcome back. Thank you for watching, everyone. And don't forget to subscribe and like. And don't forget to be back so you can chow down with the twins.
And sippy with the twins.
Banana rum cream. Cheers.
Mmm.
That is delicious.
Banana rum cream, to be exact. And that is a must.
All right,
Wow.
guys. Thank you for watching. Twin 2 out.
Twin 1 out. See you soon. Thank you.